welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm betting you can guess what we're doing by either the time of day or the thumbnail. We got the G6 still out there. We got the Pathfinder in here just about done, and I'm sure you can hear it. We got the Titan in the trailer all hooked up. See it back there. Today we are picking up another project for the channel. And this one's gonna start a new series that I want to do, kind of like a trading up for a personal vehicle type thing. So if you are interested in something like that, please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned while we to figure out what it's going to be, what we're going to start out with. It's another cheap car. I will say, picked it up for winning bid was 600 bucks, so we're not into it very much. So with that being said, let's hit the road. Well guys, in that case, it is, well, we're here. We made it, but in doing all of the paperwork, the lady said that we wouldn't get the title till probably February, which is a real bummer, which will really put a real damper on a lot of this stuff. So, excuse me. It's going to really slow down this whole thing. So, I guess we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we get the title a little bit sooner, but like I said, that is what it is. So with that being said, let's see what we got. Alright guys, and there you have it. What we've got is a 2013 Ford Fiesta, which I will do a complete walk around with you guys when we get back to the house. Survived, so I'm going to try to get this fender off today so we don't do any more damage to the door. We do have a dent here, I forgot to tell you, but I can feel it from the inside. So I think I can get those out. What else? The other thing, this tire pointing that way. We'll see if we can't get, and this tire is pointing that way, so it's pretty clear we have broken suspension components. I looked a little bit earlier and it looks like we've got, yeah, there you can see it there. The lighting is okay. Right here, there's a broken tie rod end, and here's the other end right here. And it looks like we've snapped off whatever that is. It looks like a sway bar link. So we should be able to replace that pretty easily. The lower A-arm took some grindage here, but once we get it up in the air, we'll see if that's really a big deal. Well, it looks like dirt, to be honest. And this rim is totally bent. And our hubcaps are pretty marked up. So we're gonna need tires. We're gonna need at least a rim, and then of course our front bumper. We're gonna need this grill piece. But that'll about do it. And of course we do have a headlight also. I'm not sure what type of bracketing goes here, but if we can find this horn, we'll pick that up so we don't have to deal with bending that back out, because this bent part is part of the crash bar. It actually looks like it is the crash bar, so we'll have to take that off. Not sure what else we've got in here. Parts. It looks like the core support survived. What else we got? I did notice that back in here we do have, it looks like it's part of the fender or inner fender well here. We'll see once we get some of this stuff off. We'll take a look. It looks like this survived. I'm not seeing any harnesses ripped out. There's part of the headlight, and that's the headlight. So for the most part, the damage really doesn't look that bad. But let's hook the jumper pack up to it and see if we can't get it to fire up. Alright guys, we got it all plugged in. So moment of truth. Let's see if we can't get it to fire up. Oh, and she runs like a top. Oh no. Just this is what I was worried about. Transmission service. I can't hear it click into gear. It does bog down like it's trying to work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to kill it. I'm gonna get all the straps off and I'm just gonna see if I can get it to move just a tiny bit in one direction or the other. So let me get the straps off and then I'll catch back up with you guys. Alright guys, I got all the ratchet straps off. Straps off. Oof, that's rough. Now, let's see if we can get it to move. I know that the front wheels are not pointing the same direction. I just want to feel it go into gear, that's all. So it does move, but we are getting this, let's see if you can't see it. Let me shut it so you can see this. It seems to have gone away. That was saying transmission malfunction. So what I'm going to do is I am going to plug in the scanner and see what we get for codes. Because I like that that's gone, but I'm not sure what that means. But we are also going to take this battery out because I'm going to go get parts for the Pathfinder. I may drop it off at Advanced Auto and see if they'll do a charge on it and I can pick it up later. So let's grab the scanner and see what we've got for codes for that check engine light. Alright guys, so we've got our scanner, we got it all hooked up. We got to put our key to the on position, close the door, hopefully get rid of some of the buzzing. Scan USA Ford. Let's see what we get. Automatic search. Well, let's go back. I think I pressed the wrong button. Let's do an OBD2. Catalyst system efficiency below threshold, bank 1. I'm guessing ECM processor current. Interesting. Well, let's erase them and see what we get now. Okay, so we've erased our codes and it looks like nothing has come back on, which is really good. So it must be that, I don't know, maybe when they wrecked it, somehow the exhaust got plugged in it. Which is really, really good. We got a half a tank too. Look at that. This is not a bad little car. And it's really, like I said, it's not even that dirty. It is the bare bones. There's not a whole lot to it. But, yeah. No, this is a nice little thing. It'll be a nice, daily commuter for me. Something on the lens there. Sorry about that. Nice little daily commuter for me for a little while until I can find something that I'm a little more interested in driving. An automatic Ford Fiesta, SES. But yeah, for the time being, we got a nice little ride. Like I said earlier in the video, because it's recently been the holidays, they're way behind on titles. So the lady at Copart said that I probably wouldn't get my title until most likely February, which today is the 8th, because that is the correct. So I am I'm very behind on my videos. So said, we got in the driveway, we're about $1,000 into this car. So I think we made out really well for an insurance car with 112,000 miles. That's only because it is 2027 years old. So realistically, probably not. We'll say 7 years old. So I got a 7-year-old car for $1,000. I do have some damage to fix, but honestly, I don't think it'll be that big a deal to fix it. It's nothing I haven't done before. So with that being said, I know I said it earlier, but like, share, subscribe, and let's get this. Comment below actually what you think we should call this kind of building up. I know it's been done before, so I don't know. Maybe, I know things like Rex to Riches have been used before, but comment below what you think we should call it. Maybe something like rebuilding up, or I don't know. We'll see. I'd like to do like a little series on it though, and kind of keep a kitty into how much we're into it, what we get out of it, and kind of build up so you guys can see what you guys could easily do also. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Guys, sorry I vacuumed a lot of it out before. I just want to get as much out as soon as possible. But we found a nice little puddle where the spare tire went. I don't know how that got in there or what the deal is. I mean, none of the trunk stuff is dry or is wet. So I'm not really sure where that all is coming from. And it's not wet back, well, this side is pretty wet. So I don't know what to do about this, but we're just gonna try to suck up as much moisture here as we can, get as much out of here as possible so this thing can start to dry out. That's most of it. I'm going to, because I'm in a hurry, I wanted to clean it out as I'm putting it in the back. But I just wanted to show you guys all of the damage and everything I found. So yeah, the only other thing in here that I found was the headlight was in here, and it's not too terribly busted, so I'm not really sure what they hit. Maybe an animal or something, I don't know, but yeah.